It's the fact that you can be aggressive, you can go hard and not get in trouble, and you actually get rewarded for it. And it's a test of your endurance, especially as a woman. My name is Cheyenne McKinney, and I used to box for the Reed Foundation. I was ranked #2 in the world in 2010 for amateur boxing, and now I have my own boxing gym here in Tulsa.
We're gonna cut out a lot of that extra stepping. Now it's one step and you gotta be smooth with it, okay? So guards up, everything's
My coaching
fine.
style is very technical because that's how I was taught. There's room for error, but there's zero room for playing around, you know, because in boxing, I tell them, I take it to the extreme, like you can die, you can get ribs broken, you can get bones broken, all that, it's real like that. So I try to train them where they have that soldier mentality.
Okay. Elbows, Ryan, elbows, better.
Right now we are at my coach's gym where I did some training and sparring and all kinds of things here with Coach Reed.
This is where it goes down. It's where the best out of the best come out here. You see some of the pictures all on the wall. It was a thing that she was the only girl, you know, that was boxing back then. I said a quick hook. She's better than some of them guys. And the guys would get mad because I would put all my time into her. Right there, give me a 1-2.
As soon as I met Coach Reed, it's like, that's the turning point in my life.
One second. Well, give me some. She had the love for the game. So that's what makes you a champ. She didn't want to be good, she wanted to be great.
I just stick by him. Everybody, they call me Little Reed, and they say I'm worse than him when it comes to training.
Especially when they women boxers. You better block him twice.
My grandfather, he passed away in 2008, so that was my dad, my father. That's who was taking care of me. Coach Reed, I just fell in love with him like my dad or like a father figure. You don't get a coach that genuinely cares about you and that's gonna feed you, that's gonna make sure you've got a little bit of money, how's your mom, like cares for real, you know what I mean?
She could think outside the box. She was smart, she was always thinking one jump ahead of everybody. What did I say? You did it.
I was just with him every single day, and by the end of the year, I became a champion.
In the blue corner, the winner is Cheyenne McKinney.
Yeah!
I want to be able to do what my coach did for me, times 10, you know.
I didn't teach you that, so don't do that. Let's go. Keep them on. Keep them on. Keep them on. Yes, absolutely.
Boxing is definitely a form of therapy, a form of just releasing not only whatever's on the inside, but also it comes with a lot of discipline. So I just tell the kids, I'm like, hey, this is your home number 2.
You have a good weekend?
Kinda. No, kinda.
Make sure you block it. It looks sloppy.
So get whatever you have in there out. I try to be big sis. I look at them like they are my babies.
Beautiful. Next. Hey, that's the best since we've been in here on that drill that you've done. 100%. Great job. Cam?
If you have homework, bring it to practice. You know, you can't box and not have good grades. You know, same with me. The other day, we went to my Cherokee side of the family. You know, I'm Black, white, and Native American, so I've learned so much about my own family, and I knew I had someone on my Indian side that boxed, but he was a Golden Glove champ too. My grandparents on my Native side were Cherokee, and growing up, they always instilled to me, you're not just Black, you're Native too, you need to learn the language.
Kayla, look at you, you're a
And
doll.
I found this Bible. It's written in Cherokee.
Oh.
I did not know they had.
really?
I did not know
Yeah.
they had it.
Wow.
did not know.
It's got the
have
alphabet
songbook.
on
They
there.
have songbooks.
I just think that the Cherokee language is such a beautiful native tongue, and especially when you're saying that Grandma Betty wasn't allowed to like speak it back in their day.
They would punish them. They spoke their language. They wanted them to speak English to be more white than native. So Mama, she always carried that.
Grandma would be so proud of us. It's
Yes,
okay.
she would. She would. She would. Y'all excuse me.
It's okay, Mom. I just wish that my pops could see everything that I've done. I'd be willing to do whatever it takes to be able to reach out to the Native American boys and girls.
It's beautiful, joyful, you know, that she is right doing everything I did, even sound like me, talk like me. You know what? She get it done. She get results. She get results. It feels like I accomplished something. Let me tell her something.
Oh,
I love you too.
thank you. Thank you for teaching me all you have.
Hey, thank you for letting me teach you.
Everything you taught me, I'm instilling in these kids. I love the kids. I love what I do genuinely, and I want to be one of the best boxing coaches to come from Oklahoma.